Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing one lunch menu which is very simple, comforting and soothing when you have cough, cold and flu-like symptoms. Now quickly let's start preparing our lunch, for which I have taken chicken leg pieces. You can take any pieces of your choice. To that I am adding ginger garlic paste, salt, turmeric powder and green chili paste. You can also add only green chilies whole, no worries. Pressure cook and make soup and chicken pieces well done. This over the weekend I bought lot of curry leaves which I dried and stored it for my use. Now while our chicken soup is getting ready, let's prepare rasam. I have taken garlic pods, curry leaf, pepper, cumin that is jeera and dry red chili. Nicely grind it and make it into coarse paste. In a pot for making rasam, I have taken oil, mustard seeds, curry leaves and asafoetida, followed by I just added the tamarind pulp or tamarind full juice you remove and add, then the paste which we prepared for rasam, and followed by salt and tomato puree. Now we will add the entire chicken soup into the rasam. You can see this is the very awesome twist while making the rasam for cough, cold and flu, I would say. Nicely give it a good mix and we will finish up by adding the coriander leaves. You can see I have given nice good boil. It's a very comforting and soothing rasam. Just not plain rasam, it is chicken rasam. Now let's work on the chicken. Not going to work too much on chicken. Only roughly chopped onions, crushed red chilies, lot of pepper powder, little bit of garam masala, salt to taste. Finally, I will add any oil of your choice. Coconut oil is much preferred. Nicely give it a good mix and cook until the onions are translucent. Our chicken is ready. This way you make chicken, the rasam and rice. Along with that, one more dish I will be preparing. You will see it is so comforting while you have cough, cold and especially while the season is getting changed from winter to spring or from fall to winter. This recipe is going to help you a lot. Now this chicken, in no time it will be ready. You don't need to wait until it is getting cooked and all. Only when the onions are translucent you can off it. Our chicken is very much ready. Rasam is also ready. That is chicken rasam, not normal rasam. This rasam is a very game changer when you have especially cough and cold, and for even non-veg lovers a twist in rasam is also nice. When the rasam is plain, something like this will be very nice. This is meaty dal we say. Just I have taken tur dal. In this only I added turmeric powder and garlic and cooked it. To that now after it is well done I have added salt and I'm just giving it a mix. You see I don't need to do anything else. Only a very awesome tempering is going to give full flavor. For tempering, I have taken ghee. To that I have just added urad dal, mustard seeds, curry leaves and dry red chilies. That's all. Nicely give it a good mix. For this tempering, ghee is only preferred. Don't use oil. Soon after the month of Ramadan, we ended up as a family together for cough, cold and fever. We were just having something like this. This chicken soup was very comforting for us. It is not only soup, it is chicken rasam. Every time in every meal, this rasam was really helping us. It was very good and tasty twist. Definitely give it a try. If you don't want to make rasam, you can simply have that clear chicken soup also to fight cough, cold and flu-like symptoms. Hope you all like the new recipe of chicken rasam in this lunch menu. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Thanks for watching. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.